Natural buildings need a lot of maintenance compared to what we're used to with like vinyl siding and whatnot. But there's a benefit to that in that if things need maintenance, we tend to actually pay a little more attention to them. So like this sort of thing with the carpenter bees is probably happening behind your vinyl siding. But we don't pay attention to it because our vinyl siding looks nice right up until the point where it doesn't. And we can ignore it for a good while after it stops looking nice. And then we'll break it off and throw it in the dumpster and start over. Now, that's a relatively expensive way to do things, but you don't have to think about it. Whereas this, you could look at a couple ways. You could look at, oh, I can see that happening, and I can relatively easily fix it with a few minutes and a bucket full of mud that is the same stuff the wall was built from, same stuff the plaster was made from. Just smear it right back over the top, and Bob's your uncle. Very easy maintenance. Or you can look at it as something that, well, I kind of like how it ages. Something graceful about that gentle decline. I mean, this has been here for 30 years and it's still solid. It's just starting to look like nature is recolonizing it. So you could leave it for another 30 or 50 or more years and it'd be just fine. But you don't have to. Let it gracefully go back to nature. Fix the hole in the roof so it doesn't drip on your head. But let the vines grow back up on the roof. Have a little fun with it.